This is a change I want you to make to your LinkedIn profile immediately. If you're someone who is job searching, when you have this feature on, you're basically sending other competitors or other people who are similar to you to recruiters. If you're a business owner, you're literally sharing the information of your competitors with others. So let's look at this feature. It's called People Also Viewed. So I'm just going to open this account. I don't know this person. I'm just using their account as an example. And as you can see, based on this person's profile, you can see here that there's a list of people with very similar backgrounds, similar interests that are showing up in a column here that is called People Also Viewed. So for example, if you're a recruiter, you'll go on this person's profile and then you'll have a list of other potential candidates that meets the criteria that you're looking for that you can also look at. As a job seeker, that's not what you want. You want them to focus on your profile. So this is how you turn it off. You click on Me right at the top here, and then you'll go to Settings and Privacy. From there, you'll go to Account Preferences, and then you'll scroll down. You'll see here People Also Viewed. So just by clicking on that, you just click right there to turn it off, and that's how you make the change to your profile so that the People Also Viewed setting is turned off on your LinkedIn profile. If you're looking to make changes to your LinkedIn profile without notifying the whole world, I have another video right here that tells you how to do that. So I'll see you in that one. Take care.